Today we're going to do eighth notes and eighth rests. Eighth notes are each held for half a beat. You can see them. You have one right here with the stem going down, and if you see, it has a tail and the tail goes up. And here's another one here with the stem going up and the tail goes down. So the tail goes in towards the same way as the ball of the note. If you have two of them together, then they get connected, as in over here. So the tails can join together. Let's try drawing some eighth notes in the spaces below. So we'll start with one with the stem going up. So we do the ball the same way as our quarter note. We go up the same way, and then we draw a tail. Okay, let's try another one like that. So we do the ball, go up, and then do a tail. Let's do one going down now. So draw the ball up here, and then we go down, and then the tail goes in like that. We can do another one like that over here. Great. Okay, now for eighth rest, it kind of looks like a 7, but it has a dot or a little ball at the front. So we'll draw some eighth rests over here. So it looks kind of like that. So you draw a little ball first, and then you do a 7. A fancy 7 has like a little scoop and then down. One more right here. Scoop and then down. There we go. There's our first page. If we go on to our second page, if you're drawing an eighth note in a space, then the ball has to touch the bottom and the bottom line and the top line. So let's do one of those first. So if we'll do it in the first space here. So we have a little circle touching the two lines. Then we go up and we draw our tail here. Now we're not going to make it into 4/4 time for this one because that would be a lot of eighth notes. Let's just do 2 in each. We'll do one up here in another space. Now this time, stem is going to go down like that. And let's try some in the bass clef in the spaces. We'll pick this 4th space. We'll go down. And we'll pick the 2nd space right here. And go up like that. Okay, let's do some on the lines now. Here's one on the 2nd line. So the line is going through the ball of the note. That's a G. And then we go over like that. And we'll do one on a D up here. And it goes down like that. It doesn't matter which notes you choose. Just make sure to do some on lines and some on spaces. Just so that you can practice doing both. Okay, let's attach some now. So if we do an F right here in the first space and a G right beside, then we attach the two notes with one line. And those are 2 eighth notes as well. Let's try that again. So we'll do an A in the 2nd space, connecting to a B. We draw our 2 stems, and then we connect them like that. Let's do some in the bass clef here. We have 2 like that. We draw our stems and connect them. Let's do 2 more right there. Okay, and let's keep going here. Let's do a high one and a medium one there. So these 2 stems are going to go down and they can connect like that. It looks a bit funny because the spacing of the 2 notes is a bit off, but it's correct. Okay, and then we can do another 2 like this. And let's do some going up here. And 2 going down. And then let's draw a C and a D here. Even lower. E and an F. We can draw the same note here. This is a C going to a B. if you tried to play this together, it would not sound very good. All right, now we are doing eighth rests. So eighth rests, you want to put them on, the little ball goes in the third space. So do it there, then go over. That doesn't really look like a little ball, but there we go. That's a bit better. Let's try that again. So we do our little ball in the third space. We scoop and go down. And we can do just one for each of these. Scoop and down. Now again, this isn't fully correct because we're supposed to be in 4/4 time here, but this will work for the exercise. And that is it. So we've done our eighth rests and our eighth notes. Good work.